How to delete from library or watch history on YouTube TV. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, you will learn how you can delete your watch history in your YouTube account. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Open up any of your web application and get logged into your YouTube account. You will see a page like this. Then click on the three bar icon on your top left. From here, click onto the history option. As you do so, you will see all of your watch history till date. Now, in order to clear it all, click on to clear all watch history. But if you only want to remove a video from YouTube, then you will see a wrong icon just beside that video. Click onto that, then click on remove from watch history. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will get back to you soon.